So you want to start a printing business. Well, where do we start? We prepared a helpful guide not just on getting started, but getting started with a plan. Let's strategize about what to keep in mind when diving into the world of custom apparel, who we're targeting, and how we're going to reach them. Let us know in the comment section down below what questions you have about going into business for yourself. Finding a niche market that you already have an interest in will already put you ahead of the game. This could be football, cars, rock and roll music, maybe like fitness or professional wrestling. Identifying your target market should 100% be your first step. Who are we selling to? Now, the reason we're saying to align your audience with your interests is insight. If you're already a part of these communities, you know what they like, you know what they wear, and you know what they're willing to hand over their hard-earned money for. Another benefit of aligning your business with something you have a vested interest in is you're going to be far less likely to quit on yourself. What I'm trying to say is find your niche and go from there. Everybody loves a high-quality t-shirt, but if that's all that brings your customers in, what's going to keep them coming back? Variety is essential. Items can include gym shorts, hoodies, hats, jackets, or a windbreaker. Having variety in your product offerings and different price points can be very effective visual marketing and show you're not a one-trick pony. Once you've decided what items your business will sell, it's time to decide what printing method is best. I've been in this industry for over 15 years, and here's why I say direct to film. For starters, we are looking at a far lower startup cost when compared to other printing methods, meaning insane return on investment. With literally just a printer and a heat press, you can have a full-blown garment printing business in your home or office. With DTF, we're looking at unlimited color options and near endless material compatibility, meaning if you want to do items aside from just t-shirts, it's all fair game. Now, the great thing about DTF printers, they come in a variety of sizes, meaning depending on your workspace available, you'll have tremendous flexibility with your equipment. Now, you got to keep in mind, with any investment, there is upkeep involved. We're looking at a regular maintenance schedule, and the machine should be run regularly. You got to keep in mind, this is a business, not a hobby. If DTF isn't right for your business, DTG is going to be your next best bet. Why? Well, a well-made direct-to-garment print is going to have the most premium hand feel on the market. And they also print direct-to-film transfers also. DTG will work best with mostly cotton blends, but you can always run DTF to cover everything else. Now, it's worth noting, Epson DTG will have virtually the lowest amount of hands-on maintenance, which is worth keeping in mind, especially if you're going to be a one-man operation. Like direct-to-film, direct-to-garment will offer unlimited color options and also relatively low labor intensity. High-performance equipment will come at a higher price tag, and because the machines are considered commercial grade, additional space will be required. Great thing is, both options will come with tremendous warranty protection and after-purchase support, as well as live weekly training. Things to keep in mind when choosing equipment pieces to build your business. Now, where are we going to sell our goods? We happen to live in a golden age where we can reach our target markets regardless of where they live. We're talking about the internet. The two most popular options would definitely be Shopify and Squarespace. And if you do shop online, chances are the websites you frequent utilize one of these two platforms. Honestly, the hardest part is just getting started, but the good thing is you're not in this alone. Hit the link in the description down below to connect with a friendly expert and go over which choice is right for you, as well as our affordable payment plans. My name is Esteban, we're all American Print Supply. We'll see you in the next one.